So here is the new pedestrian overpass, which starts at the park, over the traffic, and ends up at the Hard Rock Cafe. I'm not sure the due date to be open, but as you can see, they have the escalator almost installed. And I wonder if these guys will conk out as much as the other ones around the strip, which seem to always be down. And this is a great idea because a lot of people just, jaywalk. In the city, it's not like having folks getting run down by cars. It's bad for business. There is the Deuce bus. And it'll be a nice view, actually. And I like these little pedestrian overpasses where you can just walk and relax and enjoy yourselves without worrying about traffic. All right. Let's, as they say, keep on walking. And across from the Crack Shack is a new building. Now, I think someone said it's going to be a Target, but I don't remember exactly. Maybe if I hear about it again before this gets uploaded, I will put in the name of what the real shop is going to be. But I believe it's going to be a Target. All right? Let's keep on rocking. Okay, now this building in front of us, this tall building right there, it was the Mandarin, and it was sold to the Waldorf Astoria. And now I believe it's a non-gaming hotel, and that window right there is a bar. I went there recently, and it's a lovely place. Great view, expensive drinks, music not too loud, so it really is a very nice place to be. So if you're in town and hit something else, something nice and quiet to relax for a bar at the Waldorf Astoria. Now I forgot the name of it. I apologize. I'll put the name in the screen right now. All right, here we go. Let's keep on going. So right now I'm in front of the Waldorf Astoria, and just here is the Hawaiian Plaza. Now I read this place got sold recently for X amount of millions, and so I would presume they're going to knock this place down and turn it into something, but they haven't decided exactly what. This place has always had, I thought, was a hard sell, because as many times I've been down here and walked through here, it's never been busy. It's been spotty with customers here and there. I really hope the vendors here had cheap rent, because I never saw any of those guys be able to pay, get enough customers to pay the rent and blah, blah, blah. Then again, I do not see the books. So anyway, all right. Chili's. Pardon me. Today I'm using a camera, not a phone, so it'd be kind of jerky. I'm trying to be more creative and not just walk around and blah, 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 blah. Forget it. Rockin' Riley's. Best downstairs bar in America. Fat Tuesdays. You must be 21 years of age to enter. And then various vendors. Those remember the old Harley Davidson barbecue place? Now it's going to be a Tex-Mex tequila bar and grill. Looks huge. Might be popular. All right. So hopefully it'll be popular, because there's a lot of space to fill. And there is our Hilton Grand Vacation building, located inside the Miracle Mile. And these, what is this building called? I forgot what it was called. Oh well, forget it. This is Tropicana? No, Harmon? This is Harmon. I should know this stuff. This is Harmon. And if you can see down there to the right, that is the end of Top Golf for those who have those long drives. And to the left, you see it says Alara, and just to the right of Alara, that's the Hard Rock Hotel, which has been sold to Virgin. And I'm not sure when the rebranding will happen, but it is on the way. Okay. There is the hot and juicy crawfish, and you see the Nacho Daddy Mexican place, great name. Buffalo Wild Wings, which I still haven't tried yet. All right. And this is inside of the, oh shoot, look at this. So if you want to do the 4D thing with the amazing ride, one person $20, two person $25. You know, put the goggles on and it shakes, it bakes, it scares you, it chills you, thrills you. Tell your friends. The little pods. I never tried one myself, but how you doing? But it's interesting. It does feel like, you know, I guess the audio or the auditorium. Whoa, just a loop. It does feel like you're actually. All right, there's the Chick-Fil-A right in front of the Miracle Mile shops. Due to open late 2019, so the next few months it should be open. Let's hope it opens up. But I wonder how they're going to do with their Sunday closings. But I imagine Monday to Saturday they might be pretty packed. We're on the second floor of the Cosmopolitan, just taking a little bit of a look-see. There's Momofuku. And then there's a milk bar. I never tried those guys. The Juice Standard. And the Egg Slut is packed today. There's Holsteins. Shakes and Buns. For you party goers, there is the Marquee Nightclub and Day Club. Never been inside. And of course, here is Block 16. The little food court. Don't call it a food court. Let's go inside. You got Pock Wings. Hattie B's Fried Chicken. District Donuts. I'm crowd today. Lardo sandwiches. And the Tekka Bar, hand roll and sake. I like how that's soy sauce. And of course, here is, what is it, China Poblano. China Poblano. For your Chinese Mexican mix fusion foods. All right, let's go. pick our item, ticket, my change, press the button down.
Okay, we got our soba. Oh! Got our soba. This is the kakiba, which has some vegetables inside it, some onions, usually some sliced carrot, in a batter and deep fried. And then we have our soba, which is buckwheat noodle. Okay, and usually I like to add the 7 spice stuff. Shimichi. I forget how to say it. It's kind of spicy. Add this in there, and we are good to go.